The Anti-Money Laundering, Anti-Bribery and Anti-Corruption course, designed for South Africa. I'd like to welcome you all here. This module, we are going to do some housekeeping so that you know how the course will work. So let me introduce myself. My name is Gail Gibson, and I have been a Group Compliance Officer with Discovery for the past 5 years. Before that, I used to do training, and I was involved in the wealth creation courses. I've also been involved in setting up exams, and I was involved in the actual acts as they were promulgated. So I have a wide variety of knowledge of the financial services industry. I love training. It's always been my first love, and that is why I've come back and formed my own company, Naked Minds, which is involved in pure training. Our motto is Naked Minds, just cloven education. I hope you will enjoy this course. I am going to enjoy giving it to you. Have a wonderful course. This course is outcomes-based, which means at the end of this course, you should be able to collect, organize, and critically evaluate information relating to the Financial Intelligence Center Act. You should be able to communicate effectively in explaining the various sections of the anti-money laundering requirements as a result of legislation, and you should be able to participate as a responsible citizen in the life of local, national, and global communities by knowing your responsibility in reporting suspicious transactions. You should be able to compile documentation for a suspicious transaction and be able to describe what documents are required to identify a person for the purposes of FICA. So this is my little sales talk of why this course is worth the time and money. It's important to understand that if you fail to put in the anti-money laundering requirements, you could be responsible for a fine of up to 100 million or 15 years in prison. That's why we put the material together, in order to try and make you aware of what the legislation requires from you. That way, you stay out of trouble, and I do what I like doing best, and that's training you. This course is modular, and each module should take between 2 and 20 minutes. There are assessments to ensure you are understanding the course.